For any business, the sales depend on the publicity and promotional activity. What they are doing, promotional activity and publicity is the matters. If you have extraordinary publicity and showroom displays, you can get excellent sales. We are number one suppliers of this type of advertising products. In front of your showroom, shop, office, if you put this type of flags, you can create extra sales, extra publicity. For any business, we supply this type of flags with branding. That doesn't need a corporate company. Even a small shop also, they can use this type of flags. We supply this type of flags all over India with the printing of your product, photographs and brand name. Our phone number 9246372692. We are India's number one supplier since 1991. For any type of flags if you require, just give a call. We supply at your doorstep delivery. Even one flag also we supply. We are ready to supply. Just check the product value and quality. Also, if you use this flag, you will get excellent sales and publicity. Just put this flag in front of your showroom. Just that's it. You will get excellent sales. Our phone number 9246372692. We are India's number one suppliers. Different type of advertising products, not only flags. Whatever you call the publicity product we supply.